Let's kick things off with social media management. Now, you've probably heard me talk about this before. It's a booming industry with endless potential. Businesses are constantly looking for people who can create engaging content, manage their social media presence, and grow their audience. That's where you come in, armed with the power of Canva. Canva makes social media management a breeze. You can create stunning graphics, eye-catching videos, and even schedule your posts in advance. Think about it, small businesses are often too busy running their operations to worry about crafting the perfect Instagram post or scheduling a week's worth of tweets. That's where you step in, offering your services as a social media manager. With Canva, you can create templates for different types of posts, ensuring brand consistency for your clients. You can design Instagram stories that pop, Facebook posts that get engagement, and even YouTube thumbnails that draw viewers in. And the best part, you don't need any fancy design skills. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it incredibly easy to create professional looking content. But it's not just about creating pretty pictures,